Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we'll begin a new short series covering Interstate 12 once again, as some changes have been made and more construction is underway. We begin just east of Slidell on I-10 West as we approach the I-10, I-12, I-59 split. We'll be passing in and out of the city limits of Slidell twice over the next few miles. The first thing you'll notice is that I-12 continues straight while I-10 veers off to the left, as if this was supposed to be the main line of I-10 bypassing the city of New Orleans. And road enthusiasts have often argued that this should be the I-10 main line, with the portion of I-10 that runs through New Orleans should be changed to a 3-digit bypass of I-10. I-12 is an anomaly in the interstate highway system, in that it's a 2-digit interstate that runs entirely within the state of Louisiana, and it functions as an auxiliary route since it begins and ends at the same interstate highway, I-10. In 1957, when I-12 was originally planned, it was to begin at I-10 in Baton Rouge and end somewhere on I-59 north of Slidell. But as construction began in the mid-1960s, it was changed to its current alignment. The highway was built in sections, with these sections opening between January of 1967 and June of 1976. I-12 is listed at 85.59 miles long by the Federal Highway Administration, but is actually 86.65 miles from the gore points at either end of the highway. It roughly parallels the U.S. Highway 190 corridor, serving the communities of the North Shore of Lake Pontchartrain as St. Tammany and Tangipahoa parishes, then into Livingston Parish and eventually East Baton Rouge Parish. I-12 completely bypasses New Orleans and its immediate suburbs, taking 20 miles off of the trip and saving 30 to 60 minutes of drive time depending on the time of day. As a result, I-12 sees a lot of traffic. It was originally constructed with 2 lanes in each direction from end to end, but in recent years it's been widened in the Baton Rouge and Slidell areas, and construction is underway to add a lane in each direction at the Covington Mandeville area. Exit 74 provides access to Louisiana Highway 434 and the unincorporated community of Lacombe to the south of I-12. The exit sign also lists the control city of St. Tammany, which is listed as an unincorporated community on the St. Tammany Parish Wikipedia page, but there's no information about it and it doesn't appear on any map that I've been able to find. Exit 68 connects to Louisiana Highway 1088, which leads to LA 36 to the north and the city of Mandeville to the south. Here at exit 65, we see an interchange with Louisiana Highway 59, which leads south to Mandeville and north to Abita Springs. Because of LA 59's close proximity to Interstate 59, in the eastbound lanes of I-12, a 2 I-59 shield with an up arrow was added next to the exit sign to avoid confusion, even though this is 20 miles from I-59. We're now getting into the area between Mandeville and Covington, and we're entering the construction zone. You can see where the roadway has been widened into the median, and just after the overpass, the lanes shift to the left, and a third lane begins at the on-ramp. We're now 2 miles from the US 190 exit. Reconfiguration of that interchange is still underway, so we're going to see some heavy traffic shortly. We conclude today's video at approximately mile 63. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.